You've answered the call of home, familiar streets, the comfort of family, a sense of belonging. Yet a question lingers. Is this it? Is this the horizon you envisioned? The entrepreneurial spirit within you whispers of new challenges, of uncharted territories. This isn't an ending, it's a beginning. You've changed, you've grown through experiences abroad. Now you possess a unique perspective, a global awareness that sets you apart. This is your strength. Embrace it. Your journey has equipped you for something bigger. Don't let the familiar lull you into complacency. Your European identity is not defined by borders, it's a mindset. It's about innovation, quality, and a drive to shape the world around you. This is the legacy you carry. This is the time to listen to that whisper. This is the time to begin again. You are a returnee. You've walked the path less traveled. You've embraced new cultures, learned new languages, and navigated unfamiliar landscapes. This is your power. You see opportunities where others see obstacles. You understand the interconnectedness of the world. It takes courage to step outside your comfort zone. It takes even more courage to return and start anew. But this is where true growth lies. This is where you leverage your global experience to create something meaningful, something impactful. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. The old rules no longer apply. Southeast Asia understands this. It's a region brimming with energy, ambition, and a hunger for progress. This is where your skills are needed. This is where you can make a real difference. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. Southeast Asia is not just talking about the future, it's building it. From Singapore's technological prowess to Indonesia's burgeoning startup scene, the region pulsates with opportunity. This is a market of 660 million people, a young and ambitious population eager to embrace innovation. Forget bureaucratic chains and outdated systems. Southeast Asia is embracing digital platforms with open arms, e-commerce is booming, fintech is revolutionizing financial inclusion, and green tech is transforming industries with sustainability at its core. This is not a region content with following the footsteps of others. It's forging its own path, driven by a spirit of entrepreneurship and a desire to create a better future. And they are doing it now. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. This is your chance to be part of something extraordinary. You have a unique advantage. You understand both worlds. You can bridge the gap between European excellence and Southeast Asian dynamism. Your European identity is a mark of quality, a symbol of trust. Leverage it. Embrace digital strategies. Utilize virtual reality to connect with partners across continents. Build remote ventures that transcend geographical boundaries. This is the future of business, and Southeast Asia is leading the charge. Don't limit yourself to familiar markets. Choose empowering markets. Choose markets that embrace innovation, that value your global experience, that challenge you to grow. Choose Southeast Asia. Your first journey took you abroad. Your second journey will take you further than you ever imagined. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Make it your greatest success.